Starting a YouTube channel right now feels a lot like trying to solve a puzzle in the dark. You've got to figure out the titles, you have to figure out the thumbnails, the editing is taking forever, and you're not really sure if your family or friends understand what it is that you're trying to accomplish. I know exactly how that feels because I was there. My name is Woody Hill, and I built my channel through a lot of trial and error. But once I figured out the actual systems behind YouTube, including how to script for retention and how to package the videos so that people just have to click, and how to understand the analytics without getting a headache so that you can inform your next video, that is when everything changed. I got my first 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I have unlocked several ways to earn money via YouTube even before you get monetized. And so I built the NewTubers YouTube School in order to help you get there faster than it took me. Once you click the button below this video to join the community for free, there is a course that will walk you through everything you need to get started. And I also reach out to you personally and see how I can best help you make that next step towards growing your channel and making your first dollar through YouTube. Now, whether you're lost on the editing or how to film or camera confidence or titles and thumbnails, I have a ton of free resources inside to help you with that, including checklists and templates, and I reach out and help you personally. So to get access, all you have to do is take that first step. Click the button below this video to request to join the community, and I'll see you on the inside.